Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. 121 people were killed in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras on Tuesday. The reason? An attempt to touch a self-styled godman's feet and try to see him up close. The godman, who has a history of his own in missing and a political storm, is already in the making. So, let's start with the facts first. This stampede took place post satsang of a self-styled godman Surajpal or Narayan Sakar Hari Baba. As the event ended, his followers rushed towards the Baba when he was leaving the venue. As per the sub-divisional magistrate's report, the Baba's private security guards started pushing the followers. The private guards were using sticks to stop the followers from approaching Baba. This resulted in chaos as people fell over each other and were trampled. Meanwhile, on the other side of GT Road in Hathras, where the incident took place, many slipped and kept getting crushed in a mud hole filled with water. This mud hole was about 3 meters deep. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath met the injured at the government hospital. He has said that a judicial inquiry headed by the retired High Court judge will be initiated and SIT will probe the case. He has promised to punish those responsible for the lapse. The state government has also announced compensation of Rs 4 lakh for the kin of the deceased. Which brings us to the question, were there any administrative lapses involved? The FIR reads that the organizer had sought permission for gathering of about 80,000 people. But what was the reality? There were around 2.50 lakh people, almost 2 and at times more than the number permitted. These people had come from the different districts of Uttar Pradesh to witness what this Baba had to say. FIR says that there was no cooperation from the organizers of the Bhole Baba's event. Plus, reportedly the evidence was fabricated by throwing away belongings of the injured persons. An FIR has been registered in the case, but it does not name Bhole Baba so far. The main organizer of the event has been booked. However, the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh has assured that action will be taken against the Bhole Baba. Second, the Hindu report described eyewitness accounts at length stating that the nearest healthcare center didn't have doctors. Neither were ambulances provided on time and many even complained of long waiting hours to get the attention of a doctor. So where is this Baba? After all, this horrific stampede happened during his event, right? Currently he is missing. 121 lives lost and the person in a way responsible for it or the reason why more than 2 lakh people gathered is nowhere to be seen. It is believed that he is at his ashram in Mainpuri. This ashram is about 100 kilometers from the site of the horrific incident. A police team has reached Bhole Baba's ashram. According to Deputy Superintendent of Police Sunil Kumar, Bhole Baba could not be found after the police carried out a search operation at the ashram in Mainpuri. Next, who really is Bhole Baba? Some reports say this Baba was a police constable at one time before he decided to turn to this space. He has often claimed that he has worked with the Intelligence Bureau, but resigned in the 1990s to follow the path of spirituality. Bhole Baba has multiple cases booked against him. He has a history of legal troubles, which also include allegations of sexual assault. Multiple cases are filed against him in Agra, Etawah, Farrukhabad and Rajasthan. He was also imprisoned in the late 1990s in a case related to allegations of sexual assault. Upon his release, he reinvented himself as Narayan Sakar Hari Baba. Hours after these lives were lost in the stampede on Tuesday, a political storm is already in the making. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, an MP from UP's Kannauj, has slammed the BJP-led government in the state. He has blamed the state government for the lapse. Akhilesh Yadav alleged that vehicle arrangements were not made immediately and people were not given oxygen and medicine immediately. Interestingly, an old tweet of Akhilesh Yadav attending a satsang of this very Bhole Baba itself is going viral. Take a look at this tweet on your screen. But as the issue now takes a political turn, the larger question still remains. Who is really accountable for 121 lives lost? The Baba, the administration, or the Netas, or a combination of all three? That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.